nagpag-wait po tayo siyempre. Yes, kaya maraming salamat din sa mga nakasama natin kayo mga fans.
Pero alam mo,
Hello, hello. Kaway-kaway.
Kasi napanood ko yung trailer.
Yes.
At parang nalito ko may bago ba si Joy? Parang nalito ko naman
Ayan,
hindi
ganyan karami yung mga fans ng
sila sa airport.
Then.
Tapos biglang, Rory? Ay, wala na si Joy. Sabi ni Joy,
Joy
wala
is
na si
gone.
Joy. Joy is gone. So, si Marina. Film. Kaya grabe, you can see how supportive and how iconic this moment is. This is a film naman by Direct Kathy Garcia Santana na may mga ilaw din.
Yes, may supporters.
Yes, of course, this is starring Catherine Bernardo and Alvin Richards. Also starring Joros Gamboa, Valerie Concepcion, Jenica Garcia, Ruby Rodriguez, Jobert Austria, Mark Rebellia, Marvin Franco, Wendy Froberg, and Kevin Crader.
Yes, you got it.
Ito, no? Intense, parang all-star cast naman to. But this is rated PG in over 510 cinemas nationwide all over the Philippines. And that is not even including yung mga international screens.
Yes, kailan nga ba yan? National screening. Go! Ako na pala.
Oh, sige ba?
Sige ba, hati tayo. Go. November 15, US, Canada, Guam, and Saipan.
Oh, November 24, Hong Kong and Macau.
November 23, KSA, Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, Singapore, Malaysia, and Brunei. And November 29, Cambodia.
And very, very soon, more territories to come. Of course, this is also a reminder since I can see na medyo puno na yung cinema natin. When you want to post, pwede kayo mag-post, pwede kayo mag-picture, selfie, TikTok, kahit ano. Gamitin nyo lang yung hashtag #HelloLoveAgain, and #HelloLoveAgain, the world premiere. But, alam na natin yung rule, bawal mag-dating naman yung memorial natin dyan.
Yes.
Chine-check talaga nila kung may nag-record kung yung mag-dating.
Ready na bang lahat ng mga fans na nandito kayo?
Oh, sample na pa ng sigaw kasi hindi ko malapit na sila. Tara! Saan naman kayo? Ayan! Pero nakakaya naman yun. Hindi pa natin natin yung sigaw na yan. Ito ba? Ayan!
Sa mga nandito ngayon, i-welcome na natin ang cast na Hello, Love Again!
Ayan!
Natin.
O diba, may mga welcoming while we're waiting for them to enter.
Yes.
I will list off, of course, the
Yes.
cast of this.
Blake na nandito ngayon
Wow!
again. Of course. Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Ayan. Hello.
Grabe naman! Malakpak naman kayo dyan! Yung
And
cast of
also,
Hello, Love, Goodbye! Dito naman!
Nakita natin si Lovely, Abelia, nandiyan din si Maymay, Pakay, Bautista.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Yes, grabe. Siyempre, yung mga na-miss natin, can you give us mic also? Please,
Ayan.
pamalitin natin.
Yes, let's give them good.
Pero first, let's start naman dito naman. Jameson, kumusta ka naman?
Yes.
I'm very excited. Good evening sa inyo lahat. Alam ko, excited na kayong malaman yung story ni Ethan and Joy. And I'm just happy na after 5 years, we're gonna find out.
Mark
Thank you
and
for coming.
Marvin naman, nakasama rin natin ngayon. Sa Hello, Love Again. Hello po. Ayan, please.
Pero ayun. Ayan, okay.
Ayan, Miss Valerie Concepcion.
Alright, of Hello, Love Again. Grabe. Ito na
Jonas
guys.
Patola is also here. Please, palakpakan po natin.
Sir Joros in the house.
Ayan, habang dito sila, magpipicture sila dito sa harap. I can't wait to ask them. Guys, grabe naman! Para naman yung palakpak, yung welcoming palakpak naman ng cast na Hello, Love Again.
Ito na ang pinaka-welcome natin, mga kapamilya, mga kapuso, kasama si Direk Kathy Garcia, and also nandito na Catherine Bernardo and Alvin Richards. Hello, Love, and of course,
Ayan, ibig sabihin, malapit na mag-start yung screening ng Hello Love Again. Kaya please, let's give them some energy, show them some excitement naman!
show some love!
Ayan!
Congratulations tayo and of course, pabatiin lang din natin ang lahat ng mga cast and our director para sa mga bati lang po tayo sa mga bisita, family and friends po natin ng our bosses.
Ayan, kahit a quick hello and thank you naman po.
Naninibago akong tahimik. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po una sa Diyos that we are here, gathered to witness the very first screening of Hello Love Again. And maraming salamat, 900 Cinemas all over the world! Nakatatlong baba na rin ako! But this movie po is galing sa mga puso namin para sa inyo. Isa lang ang aming dasal. Sana'y magustuhan ninyo. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po.
Yes, Sir Alden, Richard.
Yes, magandang gabi po sa lahat na nandito ngayon. Of course, to our family and friends. And of course, we would like to thank JB Pictures, of course, Miss Annette Bozon, and of course, to Miss Joy Marcelo. Thank you so much for making this film possible. Also to Star Cinema, kila Sir Carlo Atigbag, Tita Cory Binanes, and sino ba? To Ating Army, of course, thank you so much na nandito po ngayon, and of course to all of our friends in the business po and to all our fans who's here tonight. We're very excited for you guys to see the film. Ito na po yung pinaghirapan namin ng ilang buwan during the beginning of 2024, and right now makikita na po muli ang kwento ni Joy and Ethan. So I hope you guys will enjoy the film as much as you guys are gonna be falling in love with the characters. I hope that after the film po, ma-inspire pa rin tayong mabuhay and to do good things to the people around us after this film. So maraming salamat po and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
And of course, Catherine Bernardo!
Good evening! Hello to all the fans, to our family and friends in the industry, to our bosses, lahat na nandito to show your support. Maraming salamat. It means the world to us. Actually, kinakabang-kabag po ako ilang araw na, and kanina, gumising ako, sobrang kinakabahan. But then after siguro makita lahat, mas excitement yung nafe-feel ko ngayon. Because like what Kathy said, ang mapapangako lang namin sa inyo, sa pelikulang to, puso yung binigay namin. So I hope after you watch this film, yun yung maramdaman nyo. Hindi lang kay Joy at kay Ethan, pero sa buong pelikula. Lahat na nangyayari ngayon, sobra po kami overwhelmed sa support na binibigay nyo. And we all did our part. So ngayon, we lift everything to Him. So let's all pray for the movie. We need all the prayers. We need all the support. Thank you for being here sa lahat ng mga kapuso, kapamilya, lahat nagsama-sama for tonight. And please enjoy the movie. Thank you. Ayan! Maraming salamat po. Ayan, once again, the cast of Hello Love Again!
Yes! Ayan! Again, pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa ating mga designated seats.
Ayan, so akyat na din yung
Yes,
cast.
please.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Ayan,
Thank you so
habang-
much.
And congratulations, Nine and Fun.
Ayan, guys, parang feeling natin, kailangan ng konting practice pa yung cheer natin. Grabe! Pero ito nga, let's give them one last warm welcome naman! The cast of Hello Love
Again! Grabe yan! Alam mo, tumataas ang nililibo ko nung ito, hindi ba? Oo, kasi, to be honest, grabe din siyempre yung lahat naman na pinagdadaan ng kumawala isa sa pelikula. Pero, pagkatapos ito, ang sayo natin.
Spray ko lang sa slang point dito sa... Okay, sige.
Hindi na makapagintay yung mag-share din sa mga pamilya at mga kapuso natin. And grabe din yung sinabi ni Kat kanina na talagang after lahat din ng mga pinagdaanan, may mga kaba, pero ngayon, ina-offer niya na kay Lord sa taas, kasi sa kanya na po. And I can't wait na mapanood dito.
For sure. So ito naman, while the cast is saying hello to their friends and to their bosses, this is a quick